Where will it be? Bob told me it would be here. There it is! Ho ho ho! This must be the magic machine that gives you infinite ice creams! I guess that if I go through the door, it will grant my wish too! I want 1,000,000 ice creams, please! Huh? Oh man, what a scam! Who are you? Hey, what are you doing?
Peaceful days are always the best ones. Huh? Hey, Bob. How you doing?
Jonny, this is crazy! There's a horde of bulldozers destroying the construction site!
A horde of bulldozers? What are you talking about?
I'm telling you, we need your help and quick!
Don't worry, Bob. I'll take care of this. I can't get in touch with him. Time for plan B.
Hi,
Hello?
Jonny!
Guys, there's something fishy going on with Bulldozer. Can you go to the city and investigate?
Of course!
Right away, boss!
Bulldozer, stop!
You'll have to be more specific.
It's a mess. We have to stop them both. Please, leave me alone! Hey, pick on someone your own size, big guy. Catch me if you can, Anima Snail.
Huh?
Hi! You'll have to do better than that, buddy. What?
Krakow, move!
Whoa!
And now!
Huh? Whoa!
What happened? Where did they go?
Guys, you better take a look at this!
Help! Help!
This is a disaster!
What?
You know what to do, right?
Oh, yeah.
We'll just need a little boost. Hey, Batfly, how's the mission going?
You won't believe it, Jonny! Those bulldozers were cloned! We know how to defeat them, but I need a little help.
Say no more. It's power up time. With this, we'll be done in a jiffy.
Let's do this. That was the last clone left.
Yeah, but where is the real Bulldozer?
Hey, guys! Ouch!
What? I had to make sure he was the real one.
Anyway, the big guy has to answer a lot of questions.
It was this big weird machine that made clones. You'll see. No.
What's going on, Bill?
The machine is gone. It's disappeared.
Welcome, runners! Katie's Restaurant Super Special Race is about to begin! Yay! Remember, all participants have to go to the desert and come back. The winner will get this wonderful voucher for a whole year of free ice cream at my restaurant. What? Free ice cream? I will win this race no matter what! Okay, guys, on your marks. Ready, steady,
Huh?
go! Get out of my way, anima snails! Hey, that's cheating, Vicky!
Ah!
This is a disaster! I need to call for help!
This is Johnny. How can I help you?
Johnny, it's Katie! Vicky is cheating at the race and she's putting everyone in danger! We need your help!
Say no more. Katie, my team is on it.
Tie ears, Bulldozer. We got a mission. We have to get to Katie's restaurant and help her stop Vicky.
Roger that, boss. Don't worry, Johnny. We're on it.
Team! I'm so glad you're here.
Is Demo Lizard all right?
He's just a little dizzy. Nothing that a good ice cream can't cure. But the road is blocked, and Delibug is all alone against that loony.
Do you think you can lift this, Bulldozer? Of course. There's nothing that the bull can't pull. Let's do this. Can you look the other way? I can't do it if you're watching. Oh, okay.
Whatever you need, big guy.
Here we go. Now let's catch Vicky.
Come on, Vicky, you have to stop. No one will stand between me and my ice creams. No one! Wait, is that a flying anima pig? What? Ah! Got you! Victory is mine! Great, now I have to deal with you two. You wanna play? Let's play.
Bulldozer, be careful back there. Is that the best you can do, Vicky?
Do you want more? Take this!
Ah! Ouch! Get back to the others, Bulldozer. I'll finish the job.
Oh, you never get tired, do you?
I could say the same about you. Come on, Vicky. You have to put a stop to this.
Never!
Come on, come on.
Bye-bye, animal loser.
Whiskers, I need more power to get out of this dune. Johnny, are you there? I need some help.
Don't worry, Tigers. I got you covered.
Turbos and monster wheels. Good thinking, Johnny. Here I come, Vicky.
Are you feeling better, Delibug? You bet, Katie. There's nothing that your ice cream can't cure.
Guys, they're coming.
My ice cream! I can smell them.
Hello there.
Huh? You again, leave me alone.
This ends here, Vicky. No!
Yes.
No, no, no! Tigers, are you all right? Oh, Mummy, is that you?
I won! Ice creams are all mine. The voucher, give it to me. I'm the winner. Are you sure? What? That's right, Vicky. Tiger's crossed the finish line before you. He's the winner. You're saying that this animal loser defeated me? I'd say that you are the animal loser, Vicky. Right, Johnny?
There's no doubt about that, Katie.
Tiger's cable crossed the line right before her.
You're gonna pay for this, rescue team.
Bye-bye, Vicky. Better luck next time.
This is yours, my friend.
Oh, did we win, Mummy?
Let me out, anima fools!
I think some time in jail will teach you not to steal Katie's ice creams again, Vicky.
I have to get out of here! And I think I know how to do it. Oh, my tummy!
Vicky, are you all right?
My tummy hurts really bad. You have to take me to the hospital.
I guess you ate too many ice creams. Come on, I'll take you there.
Gotcha!
You tricked me!
I can't believe you fell for that. It's the oldest trick in the book. Bye-bye, Anima Bozo.
Oh no, she's going to get away. I need to call Jonny for help.
Hello, Tigers. What's the matter?
Jonny, I need help. Vicky tricked me to get out of jail, and now I'm trapped in prison.
Oh boy, that's a real pickle. But don't worry, help is on the way.
Hello, Johnny.
Hello, Johnny.
Crocodile, Batfly, Vicky has escaped from jail and Tigers needs your help. You have to get there quickly.
All right, come on, Traco.
Let's go.
All right, Traco. How about I search for Vicky while you get Tigers out of the cell?
Sounds like fun.
Crocodile, I'm so glad you're here.
So, the cop got busted, huh? Don't be like that. It's just a little joke. Now, how do we get you out of here?
The system only recognizes my face, Crocodile.
I see. Then let's try this. It seems like I have no choice.
What are you up to? Ah! Did you really eat the door?
It's only steel stripes, and I didn't have breakfast today.
Anyway, let's get Vicky.
Right, let's find Batfly.
Come on, where could they be?
Look,
It looks like Vicky got her gun back.
speed up, Stripes. We have to help Batfly.
Leave me alone. Come on, Vicky. Stop before anyone gets in danger. Never. All right, let's put an end to this. What did you do? This doesn't end here. She got me. I'm going down. Bye-bye, animal loser.
Hi, are you okay?
I'm fine, but I can't keep chasing Vicky.
What are we going to do?
If she's flying that low, I think I can catch her. But I'm going to need some help.
Tigers, did the guys get you out of jail?
Yes, Johnny, but Vicky is escaping, and I'm the only one who can chase her. I need an extra boost.
Yeah. Say no more. It's power up time.
Monster wheels and turbos. Just what I needed. Crocodile, go get Batfly to the headquarters so they can fix her engine.
Okay, Tigers, we'll get going.
I have a villain to catch.
Come on, I'm so close to my cave. Huh? No, 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 no! Not again!
Hello, Vicky.
Get this!
Are you done? Then it's my turn.
No! This is not fair!
So, we're back to square one, huh?
Well done, Tigers. I know that you guys couldn't make it.
Thanks, Johnny. I couldn't have done it without you in the rescue team.
Ow, my ankle! I have to go to the hospital!
Do you really think that same trick will work twice?
Right, I better get myself comfortable then.
Come on, where's the prank? A weird note on my room said it was going to be hilarious. Huh, wait a minute. This is not funny at all. You could have done this.
The joke's on you, silly crocodile.
This is Johnny. How can I help you?
Help! Crocodile's making a mess by the town hall. Someone has to stop him.
Crocodile? Are you sure?
Of course. You don't believe me?
He does love pranks, but this is too much. Don't worry, I'll send some help.
Hello, boss. Is there a mission for me?
Yes, Tigers, you have to stop Crocodile. He's making a mess in the city.
Don't worry, Johnny. I'm on it.
Tigers is coming! We can solve the case together!
Don't move, Crocodile. You're coming with me.
Huh? Come on, Tigers, you know it wasn't me!
I'm sorry, Crocodile. You are the prime suspect.
What?
Boss, what's the matter now?
Tigers, someone is stealing Katie's ice cream. You have to get there quickly.
What? This too?
It's a trap! I'm sure the thief is the one who set me up.
I'll have to find out.
Let me go with you, Tigers.
I can't do that, Traco. I have to go.
I have to get out of here. He's going to get in trouble. Oh. Huh. Yes. That will do it. Wow. That was a heavy meal. Okay, here we go!
You fell right into my trap, little kitty. I littered the town hall so you would all get distracted.
I knew it.
Well, if it isn't the Croco criminal, you'll wish you had stayed in jail.
Yo, easy, lady. Man, she's fast. But I can be faster.
Draco, what are you doing? I thought Tiger stopped you.
It was a trap, Johnny. Vicky set me up, and now she's got tiger ears. You have to boost me up.
Say no more, pal. It's power up time.
Cool. Now we can dance, baby. All right, little girl. Let's end this.
You'll never get me, Anima Fool! What? How did you do that?
You don't have these sick turbos, girl. Now wait for the grand finale.
Hey, get me down from here!
I'll get you down, all right.
Aww.
Thanks for saving me, Draco. I'm sorry I doubted you.
No worries, Tiger Ears. We got the culprit, right?
How dare you, you animal losers!
That will serve you right, Vicky.
And don't forget, you still have to clean the city.
I'll get my revenge, you'll see!